growing your own food can be really beneficial in many ways. Don't you agree with me, Rakshita?
Absolutely. It's like embarking on a rewarded adventure. By cultivating your own food, you not only get to save money, but also get to enjoy healthier meals straight from your garden. However, it can also be time consuming and challenging. You have to find the right space, prepare the soil, water them, and fertilize them. However, if you're not careful enough, pests and diseases can ruin your harvest. Moreover, inefficient resource management such as overwatering, inadequate irrigation can contribute to the global water scarcity concerns.
Students of Jeff's Legacy School come in with our solution Garden Genie. It completely changes the way we take care of gardens, making it much more easier and much more sustainable for everyone. Now let's take a look at how each part of our project works to create the perfect gardening experience.
So in our project, we use the soil moisture sensor, which measures the moisture levels of the soil and displays it on an OLED screen. If the moisture level falls below a certain point, then it automatically waters the plant using an automated plant watering system. This is to ensure that our plants get just the right amount of water at the right time. Next, we have a light sensor. This measures the intensity of sunlight upon our plants and displays it on a bar graph. If the intensity is too high, the sensor sends a signal to the controller, which then activates the DC motor, which puts the shade over the plant so that our plants don't get exposed to excess sunlight.
Then we have our two amazing sensors, a proximity sensor and a motion sensor. This helps us keep away unwanted visitors or any animals that might harm our plants. It's like a protective guard for our green friends. Since different plants require different levels of temperature and humidity, we have decided to use the Microbit IoT kit to monitor these conditions. It helps us ensure that each plant gets the perfect environment to grow in the greenhouse.
Next, we have an ultrasonic sensor, which accurately measures the distance between objects, like plants and obstacles in the garden. It also measures the growth of the plant, the height, and the distance from the soil.
We also have a slide dimmer, which is like a super power dial that adjusts the brightness of our artificial lights. It's like giving our plant just the right amount of light they need.
Lastly, we have a fan, which helps in the regulation of air and humidity in our garden, creating the perfect temperature for our plants to grow.
Isn't it fascinating to see how all these components in our project make it so awesome and our plants so happy?
Our Garden Genie makes a significant impact on your farm and the environment. It leads to a 50% increase in plant yield as well as a 75% reduction in pest-related damages, resulting in cost savings and reduced pesticide use. Additionally, our system promotes sustainable practices by reducing water consumption by 40%, addressing global water scarcity concerns. By embracing our smart gardening revolution with Garden Genie, you can not only cultivate a greener tomorrow, but also make a positive impact on both your garden and the world. Let's grow together and make a thriving and sustainable future.
As the first time being connected with agriculture hand to hand, Twin Science Kit has helped us a lot.
Working as a team has helped us develop core values like teamwork, resilience, tolerance,
And perseverance.
Thank you.